ASUS is bringing its new ZenFone Max Plus M1 smartphone line to North America, where it joins the ZenFone Max line known for its high-capacity batteries. The Plus has a 5.7-inch display with an ultra-wide 18:9 display ratio, but curiously doesn't have as much battery power as the Max, which comes in a 5.5-inch screen size. The Plus has a 4130 mAh battery that gives up to 26 days standby, while the Max's 5000 mAh battery boasts that it can hold a charge for 38 days. Either way, they're basically both huge power banks that can be used to charge other devices. ASUS ZenFone Max Plus M1 smartphone was launched in November 2017. The phone comes with a 5.70-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels. The ASUS ZenFone Max Plus M1 is powered by octa-core MediaTek MT6750 processor and it comes with 2 GB of RAM. The phone packs 16 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the ASUS ZenFone Max Plus M1 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The ASUS ZenFone Max Plus M1 runs Android 7.0 and is powered by a 4130 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 152.60 by 73.00 by 8.80, high-text width x thickness, and weigh 160.00 grams. The ASUS ZenFone Max Plus M1 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. In terms of cameras, it's got a 16MP front camera with an f2.0 aperture for selfies, and a 16MP, 120-degree wide-view dual rear cameras to fit more scenery. It's an upgrade over the Max, which had an 8MP front camera and a 13MP rear camera. Most notably, it's the first ASUS phone to get face unlock technology, which after the launch of the iPhone X, is increasingly becoming a widely advertised feature for Android phones like the OnePlus 5 and Samsung Galaxy S8. Though the feature was made available on Android and Ice Cream Sandwich in 2012, it was quietly removed, probably because it was terrible and Google wanted to push people toward fingerprint sensors. However reliable ASUS Face Unlock may be, it's another security option in addition to the rear fingerprint sensor. The phone will be available in February in a 3GB/32GB configuration for $229 in 2 colors for North America, Azure Silver and Deep Sea Black. Depending on what region you live in, you can also get the Sunlight Gold model pictured above, which is obviously the best color.